We are back in the Roblox Inc. games, and we are back for round 2 because of the glass bridge incident. But we pass red light. Green light with EZ now. Dalgona, I get triangle again, and I pass with no cracks. Now, snack time. I get my kimbap, and I pass with no damage. Dealt now hide and seek, but bad news. I got hider again, but I found a spot, but a seeker found me, so I thought I was dead. But I glitch happened, and I barely made it out alive. But now jumpy time. So I jump on that Big Mac, big back bridge, but my lag makes me fall to my demise. So bye, I will be back.